Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today, as you can see, my hair looks a hot blank mess. I cannot wait to get started. Hey. But as you can tell by the title, we are doing an aloe vera treatment on my locks, and I want you to meet my boys. They just so happen to be around me while I'm trying to do my hair. You know how that goes. So here is Landon, here comes Noah, there he is, and then lastly is Tyler. So meet my boys, boy mom. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna get right into this video. Ooh, please, there's a warning for all this buildup and dandruff that I got up in my locks. Don't judge me. As you all know, I have been dealing with a lot of postpartum shedding this go around. I don't know, it's even more than when I had my second son. It has just been so hard on me. And I know you moms out there can really empathize with your girl. It's bad. So right now, I'm just clearing out my locks before I apply this treatment. I just want to make sure that I do a really good deep cleanse of my locks. That's why I'm separating at the roots and just clearing out a lot of that dandruff. I know for me, personally, I do suffer from itchy scalp and dandruff and things like that. So I avoid using gel to retwist my locks. I use oils. And I've been taking my vitamins, I've been taking my biotin to just help with the growth of my hair after having my third son. I also just want to add in that I am just being super transparent with this video because I am just a mess. And postpartum shedding is just so hard to deal with. Like I said, you will see in my locks that they are like puffy, then they get really narrow, then they get puffy. And a lot of that came from me having 2 kids under 2 years and, you know, the hair that I lost. So while having locks. So you'll notice that. And I'm just on a new journey and trying to get my hair back healthy. That's all I really want. So you guys, here goes the fun part. Finally, here goes the aloe plant. I'm just gonna cut it in half, get all the insides out, and place it into my blender with a little bit of water. And that's gonna be my mixture that I'm gonna place on my hair. So you all will see it right here. So you all, I just want to say really quick that On this part, when I'm applying the aloe, I am focusing on my scalp. That's why I'm massaging it into my scalp. It feels so good, by the way. It feels so refreshing. It felt like that's exactly what my scalp needed. So that's what I'm doing here. So you all, after applying the aloe and letting it sit, I washed my locks, conditioned my locks. You can see some of my thinning in the front. That's where majority of my postpartum shedding is. I washed and conditioned, and now I'm going to apply micro roots oil onto my locks. I did notice that after washing my locks, I noticed it was still some aloe chunk residue in my locks, but it's all good. It was some on my shirt as well. I did a little lock repair, and I did a really light retwist, nothing crazy, nothing too hard, because I didn't want a harsh retwist and too much tension on the roots of my locks. But it's all done. Thanks for watching. Make sure you follow, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.